Sanibonani nonke, igama lami nguBuyiswa Mayekiso. I'm your host, Yamjolo the Pandemic. Guys, it's winter, it's cold. Please keep warm. We don't want you guys getting sick. Remember guys to follow us on Econo Podcast. Namhlanje ke angihambi noza kwethu ngihamba ngedwa, but it's still going to be a very interesting topic. I hope you guys are tuned in. Nisilandele kuzo zonke izinkundla zokuxhumana zethu. Namhlanje ngihamba nobhuti lana Anonymous. He would like to share his testimony based on love. Guys, we know ukuthi sonke sinawo ama ups and downs of love, of umjolo. All of us, we've got testimonies. That's why, in fact, I would like to hear more of Anonymous is coming through. Bazoshare stories and listen guys, abantu bayafuna ukuzizwa. You'll never know ukuthi ungasiza bani ngalokho. Ngiyakwamukela bhuti wami.
Ngiyabonga sisi wami.
Yebo. Siyajabula ukuthi sinawe lana namhlanje. We'd really love to hear from you. Siyabonga nokuthi futhi ukwazi ukuthi usithembe ngokuthi uzokwazi ukusitshela ngestory sakho.
Yebo kunjalo. Into yami kanje sis, ngizwile lana nge-podcast lena nikhiphile malana nomjolo pandemic.
Yeah.
So kunento ezisuke zangithinta kakhulu and ezicishe ezihambisane kanye ne-experience engisuke ngaba nayo emjolweni. So it's something ukuthi like ngibonile ukuthi no man lento lena kahle uyazi labantu bakhuluma nami grand yabona. So yeah, ibe into ukuthi like angwazanga ukuthi nami ngiyigcine nje ngathi ithi nami ke ngishare lento engeke ngadlula kuyona ukwenzela ukuthi abanye abantu bakwazi ukufunda, bakwazi ukubona ukuthi into ezikanje zenzeka vele siyahlangabezana nazo kodwa siziphatha kanjani emveni kwalokho.
Siyabonga bhuti.
Yeah.
And I can assure you ukuthi this is a very safe space ukuthi uzokhuluma ngalo daba. Siyabonga bhuti ungaqhubeka.
Okay. So mina like kule experience engisuke ngahlangabezana nayo ukuthi ke uyabona into zomjolo uhlangana nabantu like nako qhiqhiqhi seniya attractana yabona senigcina seni escalator noma mhlambe nami ngigcina sengibona ukuthi hayi man lo muntu lo kahle ngiyamdinga ngiyamthanda yabona. So kwaba nzima ukuthi ngiloko ngigcinile ngaphakathi ngagcina ngimtshela ukuthi hayazi mina kahle ngiyakuthanda and ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe nawe nesiqhube lento lena sibone ukuthi sibeka kuphi. Nakanye nje naye washo ukuthi hawu ngempela bengalindelanga kodwa bengibona lento ukuthi unayo and ufuna ukukhuluma kodwa ke bengacabanga ukuthi ungaba ngokusheshsha ngaliyo ndlela.
Yeah.
Ngasho ukuthi nami ngashaya uvalo ukuthi mhlambe sengigijime kakhulu kodwa ke ungenani nami iyona into bese ngimtshele yona ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani bengasabiseleke emuva. So sayizama lento sayiqhuba washo ukuthi hey wena angazi ukuthi ke uzoyimela na lento le uzongimela na.
Kusho yena uSisi.
Kusho yena athi uzongimela na. Kathi hayibo uma uthi uzongimela kusho ukuthi wena kahle uningi ungabe ubhekane nakho. Kodwa ke ngayithatha nje ukuthi hayi ngachitha amanzi nje ngathi hayi mhlambe uzoba right asibone ukuthi lento isibeka kuphi. Nami ngayeka yadlula nje. Kodwa ke ekuhambeni kwesikhathi sayiqhuba lento kwafika isikhathi sokuthi manje ke sengicala ukubona ama blue colors, sengicala ukubona ukuthi hayi kahle lo muntu oyinhloboni yabo. So ngazama ukuthi at least mhlambe angicooperate kahle ngoba esikhathini esiningi bengibona ukuthi unalento emhluphayo kodwa akakwazi ukukhuluma ngayo. Ufela ngaphakathi uncamela ukuthi akhulume nestatus ukuthi akhulume nami uthanda ukuthi azikompare nabanye abantu ekutheni afocus ngempilo yakhe ukuthi ayibuilde kanye nami. So konke lokho kwangibonisa ukuthi hayi, lo muntu lona ngathi ubhekane nokuningi and akufuni ukuthi akuveze and unalento ukuthi uba ne-pride mawubhekane nenkinga awuboni kuyisidingo sokuthi uthathe ulwazi komunye umuntu ulisebenzise. So konke lokho nje kwagcina sokwenza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi hayi mani awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe kwamele ukuthi ubone abantu abazokusiza bekulekelele ngezempilo ukuthi ukwazi ukunqoba lesi simo obhekane naso, ngoba it's more than i-situation nje empilo, lento le ibhekane nawe ngqo and like nami ingaphezu kwamandla ami, yabo. So kuloko nje ngazange ngafuna ukuyithatha lento ngoba yena bengalo muntu ukuthi I don't take advices nje. Umuntu uyaqhamuka sentshela ukuthi hayi kumele ngibone abodokotela ngiboneni ungubani wena, yabo. So yonke lento le yangibonisa ukuthi umuntu onenkani akafuni ukulalela omunye umuntu. And then kukho konke lokho wangileadela ukubona ukuthi hayi le mpe engiyilwayo like ngiyayilwa kodwa-ke like ngiyilwa ngingedwa. So wabona ukuthi like umuntu sometimes usuka ngathi uyamphoqa ukuthi abe nawe kuleso simo onaso, okusona like abe nawe othandweni. Usuka ngathi uyamphoqa and ungasuka ukuthi uyamphoqa ukuthi no kahle kahle ekutheni kwaseqaleni besizweni ukuthi sizoba nama-terms and conditions ukuthi sizoyiqhuba kanjani lento lena. Uma iyehlula asingayenzi kube into e-awkward, asingayenzi kube into ezogcina sesibuyisa ngabantu, akube into ukuthi like fine ayisebenzanga lento, omunye akaqhube impilo yakhe nami ngizoqhubeka impilo yami. So konke lo azange na waphula isivumelwano ukuthi ekugcineni nakasakhulumi ekutheni besithe akukho ukugostana, akukho ukuthula nje kuphela ungachazi ukuthi wena uphethwe yini, ngoba kusuka kulimaza upartner wakho. Upartner wakho yena akazi ukuthi wena ucabangani, akazi ukuthi wena uzimisela ukwenzani kahle kahle lesi sikhathi. Kodwa-ke ukusukhuluma kuyakusiza ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi uzikhulule, ukwazi ukushare ulutho nomunye umuntu, ungasuke usucabangela ukuthi hey mhlambe uphethwe yiloko, mhlambe ufuna lokho, mhlambe ufuna imali, mhlambe ubona i-competition ngaphandle, mhlambe uyabona. So yonke lento lena iholele ekutheni umuntu agcine nje sesiba nalento ukuthi uba more into uphathwa nayi-anxiety, uyabona, engaboni ukuthi lento iyamlimaza. And then uyabona lokuthi izi-status ezibhalwayo zisuka zibhekise kuwena, kodwa-ke ngaleso sikhathi mawuthi uyabuzisa awutholi impendulo ukuthi kungani lo muntu abhale kanje, udliwa yini, singakusiza kanjani. Yonke lento kayichazi, yabo. So ayibhalansi ngenye indlela, like ayibhalansi. Omunye kusuka sekadonsa kanzima, omunye yena azi-enjoyela nje, mhlambe vele na akekho lapho ubheke lokwakhe.
Yeah, hayi yazi isitori sakho bhuti siyangithinta kakhulu. Ngiyazi futhi ukuthi sithinta umzansi kakhulu. I think ukuthi about 80% of people are actually facing inkinga ye-communication. You know, ebudlelwaneni communication ima ingekho, futhi good communication, it will definitely be a problem ebudlelwaneni. So yazi i-testimony yakho, it just shows ukuthi, you know, as people, we are all struggling. You know, your partner is struggling as much as nawe uphuma kwi-struggle lokuso, but lokho just doesn't justify ukuthi umuntu aphathe omunye umuntu ngenye indlela engafanele. You know, I like into ishilo phakathi usachaza ukuthi, you know, you did talk about it. You spoke about it ukuthi listen, we don't do this. We talk, yabo, because you can't work on assumptions. We understand. Angeke uloku assume ukuthi maybe this is what's happening ngoba the only thing ozoyi-assume into negative. It will never be positive according to the way yena yabe behave. Yabo. So the key, bantu bakithi, the key is to communicate with your partner, whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. Say it, mangabe unento ongayithandi, rather umuntu akukwatelele into yokuthi wena umtshelile than ukuthi abone ngabe usushintshile usuya-actor instead of ukuthi kabe nje kuyakhulunywa idlule. Yonke into ilungiswa ngomlomo. Na njengoba nahlangana nakhuluma navumelana ngomlomo, still makuneyinkinga, talk about things. We understand ngoba you will end up taking ama-decisions are wrong. Uthola ukuthi umuntu yena bekadliwa yinto zakhe kanti wena usucabangela ukuthi kushuthi uyangichithela or mhlambe kushuthi akasangithandi ngaleyo ndlela. And this thing, it goes back to what you said, but ukuthi you end up une-anxiety about things ezingekho necessary. Ngaleso sikhathi ubudlelwane sebutoxic, yazi nje niphefumula kanzima. I-relationship kwamele ukuthi ibe healthy, guys. Whether mhlambe leyo nto wawuyifila ngaleyo muntu or ikhona or ayisekho, but it should be healthy until the end. Even if uniyabona ukuthi okay fine siyahlulana, omunye udonsela le omunye udonsela, still talk ukuthi listen, we tried to love each other, or whatsoever that we thought was love, okay, it didn't turn out to be it, because whatsoever that I felt, I'm no longer feeling it. Umkhulule umuntu because of baningi abantu abamdingayo. Ngamchithela umuntu isikhathi. You understand? Ukhona umuntu ozoba i-type yakho exactly. Yabo, according to the way wena urizina ngakhona, the way ubona izinto ngakhona, because we don't see the same sabantu. So we thank you so much, my brother, for your testimony yako. I know ukuthi a lot of people are gonna comment on it. They're gonna share. They're gonna also want to share their experiences, and they're also ama-testimonies wabo. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uzile wazokhuluma. It took boldness, and I know ukuthi this is the first step to healing and seeing okunye okuhlukile. Siyabonga.
And okugcina nje engathanda ukusho ukuthi like sometimes akudingeki ukuthi uziphoqelele entweni ukuthi wena awukalungela ukuthi ungene othandweni. So yonke lento lena beyinama red flags kwasekuqaleni ukuthi washo ukuthi uzongimela na mina ngoba umuntu ongathi unenkinga, and mina ngizange ngakuthathela ekhanda ukuthi kahle kahle mana uchaza ukuthini. Okube mhlambe ngayihlela lento lena ngayibukisisa ngawonke ama-engeli ngaphambi kokuthi ngize ngiyifakwe edakeni, kube ngayigwema kusenesikhathi. Kodwa-ke ngoba nami ngangivele sengiphusha yiloko engiphusha, and ngiyibonela nje umuntu oright oqondile. Kanti-ke lo muntu vele uyazazi ukuthi unenkinga, and then ekugcineni nje wenze ukuthi athi yena ayi cha mina ngifika lana angisaqhubeki. Uyabona, angisaqhubeki, so yikhona lapho engima khona mina ukuthi wenzani. And uma umbuzo umuntu wakhona okay fine uthi asiwachithe lamanzi sehlukane, wena yini isizathu noma mhlambe khona into ongayithandanga ofisa ukuthi mhlambe singayilungisa, chaza kabanzi ngoba sasho ukuthi lento lena sekisiyenze ibe awkward, and kwamele ukuthi mhlambe sichazelane ukuthi amabanga yini, uyabona. And then ukwenzela ukuthi nami ngi-understand ukuthi lento oyibonile as red flag mina ngiyilungise ukwenzela ukuthi emuntwini engizomthanda olandelayo ngayenza into efanayo. So yena waba igwala nje, wavele wayinqaba nokuthi asho, wavele wafela ngaphakathi. Uyazi amantombazana lento lena ukuthi uyamana athi ayi kuphelile, and then what? Lutho nje, just that lutho. Uyabona ukuthi ngumsangano lento lena, awukwazi ukuthi kuphelile ungelutho. kwamele uchaze ukuthi yini isizathu so uzufika kulokho. So ngoba ngabona ukuthi udila nokuningi nje empilweni yakhe and bengiloke ngizama ukuthi ngimsize engasizeki. Ngabona ukuthi lento lena bengibona ukuthi lento lena izohamba ihambe ifike ezingeni leli. Ngendlela nje abekabehave ngakhona yabona aziphatha ngakhona. Yabona ukuthi wena uzogcina sudla ngoba ekugcineni abantu abayenza kanjalo bagcina beyibulala. So mina nje ukuthi ngi-regain i-energy yami nokwezethemba kwami ngiyenze a few things nje, ama-exercises, engaging, minding your own business, qhubeka ngempilo nje, engage with abangani abasha, bona umhlaba hamba yenza noma yini yabo. And ungayenzeli ukuthi ufuna ukumbonisa ukuthi cha mina ngiyaqhubeka impilo. Zenzela wena like ngaphakathi ukuthi wena uzisuthise. Yabo. So yonke lento lena ngayenza and ngabona ukuthi hayi kancane ngiyakhohlwa ngaye lo muntu. Kahle angiphume kuyena. So yona lento engangisiza kakhulu.
Wow, yazi you are a very positive person. Yazi ngikufisela konke okuhle bhuti wami ukuya phambili. And whosoever that's gonna meet you next is really gonna meet umuntu oqotho. So can I ask you a question? Kuyo yonke le experience oyi-experiencile, because I believe ukuthi this was an experience that you were supposed to experience. You know, what did you learn from it?
Ngasho ukuthi kuyonke lento lena ngifunda ukuthi umuntu audite njengoba like umuntu ayenza i-interview, like audite qala umbone ukuthi uyapi ngempilo, ungumuntu onjani, akumthathe nje for ispin, umthole ukuthi umuntu onjani, ubehave kanjani nabanganini ngaphambi kokuthi usubscribe kuye, yabo. Like nawe uzicheck ukuthi ngiyena lo muntu engifuna ukuthi ngizibophelele kuye ukuthi ngiyamthanda, yabo. So ngoba esikhathini esiningi siyayimisa leso step and it's into kumele siyenze njengabantu ukuthi audit umuntu uqala ngaphambi kokuthi uze uye kudeni naye ngoba sengakushintshela and if ukwazi ukuba i-good analyzer yomuntu ukuthi lo muntu right, uzovela umbambe kwasekuqaleni. Njengoba mina ngehlulekile kodwa ngagcina sengizithola endaweni ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi noma engiyibonile angixwayisile ngayo mina ngangayinaki nje. Yeah, so kubalekile ukuthi sala umuntu akungeke ukhoste lutho, but okuzokhosta kakhulu ukuthi wenza ama long term nomuntu ongazimiselanga.
Kuyazwakala bhuti, Mzansi nizwile. I-story sakho is really inspirational. Actually, it sounds like a normal story, but actually it does a lot of damage emotionally when you look at it, you know. Ngoba mangabe you have invested all your feelings to somebody and actually thinking about the future, and then the person turns out to be as normal about things as ever, it's a really terrible experience. So ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi wena ukwazile ukuphuma kulokho and futhi waphuma ngamandla, and you have gained everything that you almost lost, and thank God ukuthi you didn't lose yourself. We see ama brothers wethu nama sisters wethu out there, they've lost themselves in the name of love, all because of exactly what we are talking about, ukuthi umuntu uyawabona ama red flags but ayishaya indiva, ayenza ngathi akaboni, I prefer ukuthi no, mhlawumbe umuntu uzolunga. Listen, umuntu makakubonisa iqiniso lakhe likholwe the first time. Do not think ukuthi umuntu akuvezela ukuthi listen, I'm a pig, and then you would think ukuthi staying will make him one day become a cat. No, a pig is a pig bakithi. Believe umuntu makakuvezela ama true colors wakhe, ngoba ngeke ashintshe leyo muntu, uyabo. So ngiyabonga nje ukuthi bhuti wami uphume usase right, you have not changed i-perspective ngothando, just that manje usuhlakaniphile. Now you are aware ukuthi umuntu, that's why kusho ukuthi like Dubi wathi take time, to know a person. Take time. That is the most important step towards a successful relationship, is for you to take time to know a person. That taking time will actually lead you to see ukuthi, do I have love for this person or was just lust? Sometimes uthando liyabukeka njenge-lust, when it comes. All those feelings and those emotions, they look like love. Kanti uthola ukuthi umuntu, you were just yearning to be with them. And when that fades away, because lust actually fades away. When it fades away, and then that's where you realize, man, I don't really need this person. When you check the qualities and all that, you can realize, no, this is not the person I'm actually interested in. Ngoba manje sewuzisatisfyile concerning to the feelings that you thought ukuthi they were love. Because love, okunye futhi, it's not conditional. Yabona, the moment you have a reason to love somebody, you must not ukuthi you are not in love. You are just lusting over that person. So you must check those kind of qualities. Love is unconditional. It doesn't look at reasons and things to check out for. The moment it's conditional, then it's limited. And uthando, it's supposed to be forever. That's why I used to say, you know what, love also exists kule generation esikuyo manje. Because of most of us are already broken. We come with a lot of baggage. And siza vele silimele. We are trying to heal. When you are healing a heart that you didn't even break, kuningi. We end up hurting each other. That is what we do. So I think ukuthi umuntu mangabe uye waba ne-experience yokuthi alimazwe ethandweni, take a step back and start to heal first. Watch out for yourself, have self-love. Uzibuyise wena qala. And then check ukuthi, are you in a position to pour that love to somebody else? Because you cannot give umuntu into wena ongenayo. If you can't even check yourself out and take a step back and look out for yourself, how can you look out for somebody else? So I believe ukuthi into iqala kuwe, zilungise wena. That is why I'm proud of the step that you took. Zilungise wena first, so that you can say, okay, now I can actually look for the person that I'm not jump into falling into love. Actually look for the person. Audit, like you said, you need to know what you are getting involved with. Because of phela abantu besilisa, or even us ladies, you look at the features of umuntu wesifazana, muhle, ume kahle, uyakhanya, unjani, but you turn out ukuthi akubonisa ama-flames. You understand? And you'll be more hurt. You understand? Imagine at this point, man, as much as you have actually found yourself, okay, now this is where I'm going. And then you meet somebody that's going to hurt you again. This is something that you won't be able to recover from so easily like you have before. So you need to be very, very vigilant when it comes to that. You understand? Because character is everything emuntwini. Character is everything. Ukuthi umuntu udila kanjani nezinto is what will make you see ukuthi whether this person is worth keeping or you cannot be able to do it. You understand? So yes, this is a very valid point that you have raised, my brother. I'm so glad that you have made it this far, and like I said before, I know everything good is coming your way starting from now. You are very positive. So we are really proud of you, and I'm sure nje Imen Conference now you're proud of you out there. Yes. So guys, you've heard it. My brother yena ubile kwisimo, was keeper, and then now he's looking forward to a better future. And then guys, you must know ukuthi ayikho into engadluli, yabo. And lesson nje for today ukuthi always check your things before ungena ebudlelwaneni. Check umuntu ukuthi kwenzakalani ngaye empilweni yakhe. Not ukuthi you are limiting a person or anything, or you are looking for a reason to ukuthi umhloniphe kangakanani or anything. You don't, even now you don't want to hurt umuntu. Seniphakathi uthola ukuthi manje lento ayiyo nawe uyithandi. So it's better before you enter, you first start by getting to know them. Unless unlike ukuthi ube phakathi naye bese kwawena futhi umzwisa ubuhlungu. So to avoid all of these things, as you can see, couples are killing each other out there, all because of these things. Umuntu uveza ama-true colors wakhe ne-monster yakhe ngaphakathi, seniphakathi ebudlelwaneni, seku-involved nezingane, yazi inyakanyaka nje. Let's avoid all of these, guys. Just take time. There's no rush. Yabona umuntu wakho uzoziveza yena nawe uzobona ukuthi this is the person and naye futhi must feel the same about you. Ingabe one-sided. That's why bathi relationship it takes two, guys. You must love each other, not ukuthi wena uphusha uthando wedwa yena leyo muntu loyo is like ukhaphe wena. No, we understand. So guys, please be alert of that. Thank you so much for tuning in. Siyabonga ukuthi nihlale nathi up until this far. I'm looking forward to talk to you again, guys, on my next show. And guys, please comment, share your stories. Let's talk about them. I know ukuthi Umhlaba is waiting to hear from you guys. And then nakhona, I know ukuthi it will help you heal. So don't be afraid to come and talk to me about your stories. This is a safe space. You are more than welcome to do that. Please follow us on Econo Podcast, guys. I love you all. Ciao.
On Econo Podcast, pour your thoughts.